Oh, well, you don't eat cake. They're not. They're nice. They're not dusty. Yeah. That's an interesting rug. It's got pink on it. What about this one?
It's just poorly printed on.
Well, all of them will be like that though. How else are you supposed to do it?
I haven't touched it properly.
No, here we go.
What do you mean? Let you
Oh,
rest.
look, that's quite a nice one. Look, it's got birds on it. How much is that one? Sorry, how much is that? £195?
That's great.
They've got palm pounds. These aren't quite the same. But they've only got. Although they do have this one I've not seen before. What is it? I'm trying to look. It's I don't know what that is. Unusable food and drink. Oh. I don't know what it is. Oh. Yeah, the broccoli's quite fun. How much is it? That's quite a lot. They've come out as one sheet. Oh, well, you don't eat cake. Marble. Naughty. It's cake. Can you hear him? You don't like it.
But it's so happy.
So I want to try it.
You've rubbed up on me about 100 times.
Where's it gone?
Your brother's like, oh yeah.
He's not even eating this. Didn't even want it.
This is what you wanted. It's the same, but I don't actually want that. What do you want?
Just silly idiots.
Yeah.
This is what I baked. I tried to make whoopie pies, which normally look like circular little cookie cakes, but they kind of just turned out... I don't really know if I was supposed to use self-raising flour, but obviously the cookie cake bit didn't rise, so they're just really flat. So it's just like a really flat, thin cheesecake, which, to be fair, is perfect for dieting. But it still tastes really good. It tastes like a carrot cake without the carrot, basically, because I always bake cinnamon into my sponges, and it just tastes like carrot cake. It honestly doesn't taste any different, so I don't really know why you need to put carrot in a cake anyway. Yeah, we had a little walk around Endsleigh Garden Centre. It was really cute. There was lots of like fun bits and bobs. And we came across this little cafe that was like near the garden centre but not part of it. And there was also another cafe that looks really cute in that same like industrial estate as well. So we'll have to go back and try. Yeah, the job hunt is still on. There's just not much. There's just nothing out there. And I'm literally applying to things I don't even want to do, like be a barista again. I'm even applying to barista roles just so I've got like a little bit of income coming in. But just nobody's getting back to me. I don't know what's going on because I was a barista for 5 years, so I don't know how much more qualified you would want me to be. I've even applied to Next. I worked at Next for 5 years and I haven't heard back from them yet, but I'm hoping I do. It's only a seasonal temp staff anyway, so again, like, what do you want from me? But yeah, there's still time for Next to get back to me. I tried ringing the store, but the manager wasn't available and I'm not going to harass them. So 2 interviews I had last week that I was preparing for in my last video. I had one on the Tuesday and then one the following Monday, I think, and both of them came back to me and said the exact same thing, which was we really liked you but not for this role, so we'll be in contact later in the year when one that is suitable for you comes up. Which, I mean, I guess worst case scenario is that they just like say no. So I guess they both liked me, but not for that role, I guess. Like, and there were 2 different roles as well. Like, one was for merchandising planner, which I think I would have really liked, and then another one was for like a buyer assistant. So 2 different roles, 2 different companies, and they both said, yeah, we really liked you, but not for this role. So I don't know. I haven't had any more interviews since then, or anything even booked. I replied to a couple more administration jobs today. Yeah, so I'm still only working 13 hours a week. It's now been a month. So when I saw people on TikTok saying the job market is crazy, I didn't believe them because I was like, it doesn't really apply to me. Like, I live in the southwest, so how bad could it really be? It's bad. Like, even jobs that I'm overqualified to be doing and don't want to do aren't hiring me. So I just don't know. Yeah, I've got time. So yeah, watch this space. Marble. This isn't nice playing, is it? Come on, go away. Come on. That's enough. Come on. Let's go somewhere else. Away, away. The sun has actually come out today, which is motivating me. It's actually put me in a good mood. I'm not one for like seasonal depression or anything like that. Like, I love the rain, but seeing the sun is just a nice change, to be honest. So I'm up, I've showered. It is already like 12 o'clock, I think, or like 11:30, but I had a long shower. I washed my hair. I've done my fake tanning moisturiser, which I'm actually really liking at the moment. I mean, I don't know if you can really, I don't know if I look particularly tanned. It normally takes a couple of hours to start showing, but it's the type that you don't have to wash off, and it like dries down really quickly. So yeah, I did that again today. It's just this stuff I got from TikTok shop. But yeah, really liking it. I've got my gym wear on. But I am going to make a bit of breakfast before I go because my avocado has finally ripened, so I'm going to use that.
You're cutting them first.
Because I use them as toast because I don't have any bread.
Okay.
And it's easier to cut them first.
Did you just cut them into 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fair enough. I like the innovation.
Thanks. Actually so sunny today. I'm warm in the car. Like, the sky is blue. It's lovely. You wanted a cuddle. You're so friendly. Good boy. Oh, he just wants cuddles. I'm literally so exhausted after that. I've already got changed out of my sweaty clothes. I just don't like filming in the gym. Like, it's too embarrassing, I think. So I opted not to, but I just did lower, and the thing where you like lift up your legs for your abs type of thing got changed. And I'm just gonna read some of my book because we're going out in a couple of hours for the evening. So I'm just going to relax. I'm currently reading the Court of Thorns and Roses series. I'm not much of a romance person when it comes to reading. Normally I read like murder mysteries, but I'm really into this series. I'm on the 2nd book already, so I'm going to sit down and read that for a while. went to this place called Spinners in Plymouth last night, and it was so much fun actually. I wasn't sure whether it was going to be any good because we've been to Boom Battle Bar before and it was good, but like it could be better. But this place called Spinners was really good. It had a nice layout, games were really fun, it was nicely decorated. So yeah, we really enjoyed that. I didn't do a very good job of filming it because I forgot to bring my little magnetic tripod that like sticks to the back of my phone. Video quality isn't the best, but I did capture a little bit of what we got up to while we were there. So that was really fun. And tonight we are going to a comedy show. I've never been to like a live stand-up comedy thing before, so I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm a bit worried that like it's not going to be that funny because I've never actually like laughed out loud at anything that I'm watching before, if you know what I mean. So it'll be interesting for sure. But I am missing 2 nails, so I'm going to redo my nails right now. These are my nails. I don't know if it's focusing or not. I'm really happy with them. These are so pointed. I wouldn't normally go for really pointy ones, but I actually really like them. The only problem is the thumbnails are quite long and it makes it difficult to text. But apart from that, I really like them. I didn't film the process of me actually doing them because it takes me like maybe about an hour, and I would only really cut the footage down to like 30 seconds at most, so I think it's just a waste of like storage and strain on my like either camera or phone or whatever I'm using. So yeah, I didn't film the process of actually doing them, but they're done. I'm gonna leave the video here for today. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.